and the rest of the team, Dez, Juan Perez, our good friend Jay-Z, solid as a rock, has been made the support system for us, and I know they're going to do a great job on this pay-per-view card. We're excited about June 17th, as we were past year, when we took care of the line over here, Sergio. We know what we had to do with him, and now June 17th is right around the corner. So I don't know if Sergio's manager repeated everything that Sergio was saying. There seems to be a disconnection going on. I don't know if he wanted to say what he was saying. And, I think they're confused today as they're going to be June 17th at that ring, when he see he can't accomplish the thing that he wants to accomplish. As I said to him yesterday, I reiterated today, because for some reason I get the feeling that he thinks somebody's scared of it. You know what I mean? Bullies think that way. You know, he feel like he could say things to impose fear in me and God's heart. And I told him, me and God, we don't fear nothing. You know, because we know no weapon formed against us shall prosper. But for some reason, I don't think he believes it. And I know Andre Ward don't need no help with him, you know, with the threats that he's making. He felt like he wanted to hit Andre Ward in his head. And a word to the wise, to all of them that's listening. Do what you're going to do in the ring, because you're in a place that's called town business. And we don't play them kind of games outside of the ring. So let's stay focused and attempt to try and hit him in the head in the ring, because you're going to have problems with that. But you have real big problems outside of the ring. So with that being said, I'm going to take my seat. And I don't know if this manager, I mean, I respect you and everything you've done, but, you know, Andre Ward team means something to him. When we speak, our words carry value. So for you to get up here and act like what we say don't mean nothing, maybe that's how I go on in Russia. But over in the United States of America, you know, we got value in what we say. So once again, United States of America shall be victorious, June the 17th, and no weapons formed against us shall prosper.